Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting Xrecorder the permissions it needs. Open Settings, find Xrecorder, and enable microphone and storage. Once done, connect the mic you plan to use. Wired headsets often bypass Android restrictions, and close apps that may hold audio focus. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so system prompts appear. You do this now because without permissions and an active input device, recordings will be silent. This saves you troubleshooting later. Now configure Xrecorder's input and quality settings so you capture sound correctly. Open the app, choose the microphone source, internal or external, and set 48 kHz and a 128 kilobit bitrate for balanced clarity and file size. If your Android supports it, enable record system audio to capture in phone playback. Otherwise, you'll need an external mixer or loopback cable. Make sure you assign the correct input before hitting record. You're ready to record. Perform a short test clip and play it back to confirm levels and clarity. If the test sounds good, proceed. Otherwise, tweak mic gain, move the mic closer, or reduce background noise and retest. Once finished, save and review the file in your gallery or the app's file manager. If recordings remain silent, reboot the phone, regrant microphone permission, try a different input method, or use a USB audio adapter to bypass software restrictions. This is the key troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.